Okay, this is going to be a quick little video on the common MC4 solar connector that you see in a lot of solar panels as well as power stations, DIY setups, all of that. It's a very common connector, but there's a lot of things about it that cause a lot of confusion. So first thing I explain is the genders and polarities. Coming from the source, so this is coming from the solar panel, this is positive in female, and this is negative in male. A lot of people get the genders messed up because it looks like the female goes into the male. However, genders are based off the pin shape. If you ever look inside the connectors, you'll notice that the male one has a thinner metal shaft inside of it, and the female one has the wide metal shaft. So the male is actually going into the female when it comes to the conductors. And on the load side, it will be the reverse. You'll have a male positive and a female negative. And they will connect quite simply. Easy peasy. Now, there's two big mistakes people make. The first mistake is paying attention to the little positive engraving on these connectors. I'm not sure this one has it. Yep, this one does have it. If you look closely, you'll see that there's a little positive engraving. And for the source side, coming from the solar panel, this is correct. Problem is, that is on all the female connectors. So this negative wire still has that positive symbol on it. I'm not sure if that's showing up or not. So basically ignore that engraving unless you're looking at the source side. The load side will be reversed. The second mistake I see people making is using an adapter to go in reverse. When you buy a MC4 to whatever adapter, it is designed to go from MC4 to whatever. So let's say you try to go in reverse. You have a solar panel that has a Anderson power pole output for some reason, and you try to go back to MC4 with it. Okay, you connect that to your panel. And now you have negative female on your source side and positive male. And when you go to connect your other adapter at the other end, you would have a positive male and a positive male. Doesn't work. So what people end up doing is they wind up reversing the polarity by connecting the negative female to the positive male and vice versa. Don't do that. That's a common mistake. If you need to go back to MC4, be very careful with your adapter shopping because it's very hard to find adapters to go back to MC4. Anyways, that was 3 minutes. Thanks for watching.